Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I'm not usually one for this, but are you that type of guy that looks on eBay, bids on stuff and doesn't expect to win it? Well, that's me. I'm bidding on a car. Well, I've been bidding on quite a few cars. I'm after something to run round in the summer. So I've bidding on a car and I've won it. So I don't know if you can guess what car it is from the inside. What do you think? It's a soft top anyway for the summer. It's a proper project car. It's been sat up about a year or so. It's got MOT. Don't ask me how the heck it's got MOT because it needs so many jobs doing to it. But it's been sat up a year or so. And the lad even delivered it in the price, so I was buzzing like. So I'll show you about, see what you think of it. All right, kids. Hey. Ta-da! Yeah, BMW convertible. It's actually a 320 CI, but it's the 6-cylinder engine, so I think it's a 2.2 litre capacity. It's actually alright. It's quite a sad little car, like. But I say it's got a fair few jobs. It's going to be a proper project. Check the roof out. It's proper minging. Boss wipers, pal. Don't know who's been eating the bolster. Bad that, innit? So my plan is to get the seats out, get them clean because they're all mouldy. I'll get that bolster repaired professionally and then I'm going to re-dye them. I've never tried dyeing seats, but that's the plan. I'm going to re-dye them. It's a nice black leather they are. Check all that out. Fancy. There's a little lecky button here. So they're all electric. Not heated though, a bit gutted about that, like. Better roof. All sound in the back. Don't know what's going on with the trim. So we've got carbon cubed rear ones and then wooden effect on the front. So I'll have to try and find some more carbon cubed ones, eh? Proper minging this, like. I'd say, look, you see it's got new manifold gaskets on it, but it's definitely still the exhaust still blowing down there, like. Give it a good detail. I quite like getting into a bit of detail on that, like. I'll get a service kit for it and I'll service it, you know, throw some new spark plugs in and stuff. Booming, eh? Even lecky hood. Can't beat an eBay bargain, can you? Doesn't sound amazing though, does it? Horrible day today, proper cold, proper damp, proper wet. So I'm gonna get this BM back and I start doing a few jobs on it. So the list goes as follows. So we've got loads of lights on the dash. I think that is going to be a speed sensor. I think I've got an idea that's a speed sensor. You know, so like so that traction control is not working and stuff. We've got a coolant leak. That's either from the plastic thermostat housing or the bottom of the radiator, but we'll have to have a good look at that. We've got an exhaust leak, and I know exactly what that's from. That's from the worst exhaust repairs I've ever seen in my life. The worst ones ever. And I think one of the cats is cracked as well, because it sounds like it's blowing nearby the manifolds, but it looks like it's had new exhaust manifold gaskets. So there's one job. We need some wipers. There's a couple of bulbs not working on the front, need them doing. It's got green moss all over, so it's going to need full detail. These trims where it's got wood, I'm not into wood effect, so we'll get rid of them. We'll try and find some front carbon cube ones, because I quite like them. They're quite smart. Gonna get the seats out, get them cleaned, get the bolster repaired, I'm going to have a go at dyeing them, so I'll do a video on dyeing them. I've never dyed anything before, so we'll have a go at dyeing them. I've got all the bits and pieces to give it a full service, so I'll give it a full service and that. And it should be a boss little car. Oh, and the brakes are definitely going to need going through because the discs are all rusty and stuff. Might paint the calipers and stuff, like. But as I say, like, I'm really looking forward to getting into it. I'm not that type of guy that usually bids on stuff on eBay and not forget, like, but I put a cheeky bid. I've been bidding on quite a few things, you know, like supercharged minis and you know, Mark 5 Fiesta STs and a couple of BM convertibles, but I didn't expect to win it, and I won it, so I was made up. Like, it's one of them. Like, I thought it was going to be one of them lads who, when you win it off them, they go, oh no, it's not. I want more than that for it, mate. But actually, like he said, transfer the money over it. Where'd you live? I said, I live on the Wirral. He goes, sound. He goes, I know a lad on the Wirral. I'll get it dropped off to you. And I was like, buzzing. So I PayPal'd the money over to the guy, and he got the car delivered to my house, like. So it's had a fair few owners, like. Fair few owners. I think it's on 11 owners or something, which is quite a bit, like. But for the money I paid, I'll just keep it. I'll keep it in the family or something, you know what I mean? I'm sure my dad had like buzzing around on this, so I think I might keep it for the summer, do it up for the summer, enjoy it for the summer, and then see if my arm wants it or something. So, sound guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. It's quite a good channel, like. I've looked at some of my past videos. I'm not really into doing these project cars, but I thought I'll do it, and I'll do it like a bit of a do-up thing. It can be a bit of content for the channel, can't it? So we'll throw it on the channel. If you watch it, you watch it. If you don't, you don't. If it's not what you're interested in, sound like. But I've got to carry on with my reviews. Got to do a load of reviews and stuff. I tell you what, let's put the roof up. I am freezing. Oh, the roof works. Looking around because there's loads of people watching me. Swish, eh? Fancy. Ooh. That doesn't sound amazing, does it? Something to look at, I suppose.